Now today we are going to discuss another topic, that is the service. Everyone knows about the goods and services taxes, and today we are going to discuss what is the meaning of service and what are the other things that is the part of the service. So one thing is very common to the every kind of services, that means it is intangible. Intangible, that means it cannot be seen, it cannot be touched, it cannot be stored for the future use. So services is always intangible. It cannot be seen, touched and stored. It cannot be used for the future. So why we are purchasing, why it is offered to us? Because each and every service is providing the some benefits. Few services are having some utilities. Few services provide the satisfaction. So the service generate benefits. Service may providing having a utilities. Services is satisfying our want. So the service which we are going to offer for the sales, they may be the different types of services. As far as services is different types of service is concerned, first is the commercial services. In the commercial services, that means services provided by the trader. Trader may be in service provided by the wholesaler, maybe the retailer, or maybe carrying and forwarding agents. Transport industries is also providing the services, that means the railways or airways, they are also providing the services to us. Communication, that means the internet services or mobile services, so they are also provide to us a service. Banks provide the various type of the banking services, opening an account, transfer of money from one place to another place, that services provided by the under the commercial services. Financial services, that means by taking the loan and providing the finance in case of the need, so that is also covered in commercial services. Now next is the insurance. Insurance, that means in case of the loss is generated in nearby, loss due to death, loss due to fire, or loss due to earthquake, or loss due to theft, so they may be loss may be covered, and this service is also protecting our business. So it is a one kind of services which is also chargeable under the GST. Warehouses. Now the warehouses, that means we are keeping our product safe and increasing the estimated life of the product, so the warehouse is also one kind of the services. Advertisement services, advertising services, that means they are providing services to spread our product into the different markets and to provide the maximize the customer base with the proper advertisement at the proper time. Hotel industry is also serves to the different person in the hill area or various areas, so that is also one kind of the commercial services. Another type of the services, that is the professional services. Professional services may be provided by the doctors, by the lawyers, engineers and chartered accountants. They all are earning the fees, so they are professionally qualified and they are having a specific training to elaborate such type of the skills, so they are coming under the category of professionals, and they are also provided one kind of services. Now another thing, that is the personal services provided in the society, that is the personalized services to the according to the demand or according to the choice of the customers for the tailoring, so that is the personalized services provided in the society. Beauty parlor is also providing the personalized services according to the demand of the customers. Laundry services is also provide the specific type of services to the different type of the customers. So these are the personal services coming under the category of service. Another thing that is in our society, public utilities. Public utilities is also covered in the service. Hospital provide the health facilities to the service society. Police provide the safety. Fire services. They also provide the safety in case of the fire. Court provide our justice and sanitary facilities. For example, Sulabh International is also provide the cleanliness in the society. So all these services which is intangible and which cannot be seen, touched and stores, they are always come under the category of service. One thing is also important thing about the services, that is services cannot be separated from the service provider. So if the service provider is there, so you cannot separate their service from the service provider. Another thing about the service, that the quality of service cannot be standard or uniform all the times. The standard of the quality of the service is not same in all the times. Sometimes you get the good quality of service, next day you are not getting a such type of satisfaction or such type of service. So the quality of service is not always uniform in this society. So we can say the service is the one of the most important economical activities or commercial activities which provides the different type of opportunities to earn the income and to live a very healthy and wealthy lives.